Hello to all of our friends in 2DO. Buddy and I have been going on lots of walks in the countryside, and we've been taking some photos and some videos of all the animals and flowers that we see. I've made a video for all of you to watch. I hope you enjoy it. So when I was out on my walk earlier, I was lucky enough to find some rocks. I found them in the trees. The first rock had a picture of a flower, and the second rock had a picture of a bee. The third rock had a picture of a kite. And somebody very clever had painted them and hidden them, and I found them while we were walking round. Buddy loves going for long walks, especially in the cool evening. He likes to explore and sniff with his nose, and occasionally he likes to chase birds. He's a little bit cheeky. In fact, there might be some birds up ahead. I wonder if he's going to chase them. He is. I don't think he'll be quick enough though. Birds can fly very quickly. No, miss them, buddy. Have to be quicker next time. So in a lovely wooded area, found some beehives, and all the bees were buzzing around, making honey from the beautiful flowers. There were thousands of bees, so Buddy and I had to be very careful we didn't get too close. Buddy and I have found a nice little bridge to go across now. Buddy's going to show us how to do it. Good boy, Buddy, well done. Nicely done. Now I'm going to go across the bridge. Now, go slowly and carefully so I don't fall over. And there's Buddy waiting for me on the other side. We found some pink flowers called roses and comfrey. There were some yellow flowers called buttercups and dandelions. We also found some white flowers called elderflower, cow parsley and daisies. We found some beautiful purple flowers called clover, thistles and geraniums. Purple is my favourite colour. Finally, we found a red flower called a poppy. Buddy and I are now heading into a little wooded area, which is really nice and shaded. Totally covered with trees, it's like being in a den. It's lovely. Buddy, where are you? Buddy! Buddy! Here comes Buddy. He's off exploring again. Are you having a nice time? He's a good boy. You ready? Let's go! Let's go! Go, go, go! Over another little bridge. Exciting. So I was also lucky enough to take some pictures of a special kind of moth, which is a bit like a butterfly, and it was very lovely. It had really nice colours on it. It had red and black, and I'd never seen a moth like it before. And when I looked up in a book when I got home, it was called a cinnabar moth. In one field there were lots of cows. Buddy looked at the cows through the gate. I think they made good friends because they were giving each other some kisses on the nose. At the end of our walks, Buddy always likes to go swimming in the river, especially on a really hot day. It makes him feel nice and cool. Thank you for joining Buddy and I on our countryside walk. We hope that you enjoyed it as much as we did. Bye.